I've uncovered a fascinating new niche that's blowing up on TikTok, runway baby videos. These charming AI-generated videos are going viral, and creators who hop on this trend are seeing their follower counts skyrocket and their earnings from the TikTok creativity program soar. It's the perfect blend of creativity, fun, and monetization. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of creating your own runway baby videos using free AI tools so you can start going viral and make a lot of money. If you're ready to discover how to create runway baby videos that captivate viewers and help you go viral, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. The first step is to get the right prompts to generate our images, and for this we'll be using ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt I've included in the video description below. Once you've done that, simply ask ChatGPT to create 3 or more similar prompts that feature different outfits and genders. The key here is so you get a diverse set of images for your video, hit send, and let ChatGPT work its magic. It will generate a range of prompts tailored to your needs. These prompts will be the foundation for creating unique and eye-catching images that will make your runway baby video stand out. Now that we've got our prompts, the next step is to generate stunning baby runway images. And for this, we'll be using Ideogram, an amazing tool for generating high-quality images. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai and create an account if you haven't already. Now click on the plus icon to access the image generation interface. I recommend tweaking the settings just a bit to ensure that your images are not only beautiful, but also unique. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Copy one of the prompts we generated earlier, and then head back to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the search bar and hit Generate. Now it's time to let Ideogram do its magic. It may take a moment, but soon you'll see your prompt brought to life as stunning visuals on your screen. Once your images are ready, take a good look through them and select the ones that catch your eye and download the image to your device. Now repeat these steps for each additional prompt to generate the rest of your images. Now that we have our images ready, the next step is to transform them into videos. And for that, we'll be using Hailuo AI. This tool is perfect for bringing still images to life with ease. Open your browser and search for hailuo.video. Then create an account if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, click on the creation icon to access the video generation interface. First, import one of the image from the set you created earlier. Now take the first sentence of the prompt we generated using ChatGPT and paste it into the designated text box. Then click Generate and let Hailuo AI do its magic. The platform will animate your image and combine it with the text to create a seamless video clip. Give it a moment, and soon enough you'll see your static image transformed into a lively video. If you're happy with the result, save the video to your device. Repeat this process for the rest of the images you have to turn all your visuals into individual video clips. If you've made it to this part of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to it. The next step is to find the perfect background music to complement your video, and we'll be using StreamBeats, an excellent resource for free, non-copyrighted music that's perfect for creators. Go over to your browser and search for streambeats.com. Once you're on the site, click on Download Track Files and you'll be presented with a variety of albums filled with high-quality, non-copyrighted tracks covering different genres and moods. Whether you're looking for something upbeat and lively or soft and calming, StreamBeats has you covered. Take your time and go through the albums and find a background music that will fit your video. Once you've found the track that will fit your video, go ahead and download it to your device. The final step is editing, and we will be using CapCut. Head over to CapCut. Click on New Project and import all the video clips we've generated so far. Click on Aspect Ratio and select the ratio for your video to match the platform where you plan to upload it. Now that your video is set up, let's add some smooth transitions to keep everything flowing seamlessly. Click on Overlay and choose from the available transition effects. Then click on Apply to All to apply the transition to every clip in your video. This helps your video feel cohesive and polished. To make our video more engaging, let's add animations to each clip. This will add dynamic movement and make your video feel more unique and engaging. Next, we effects to our video. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects, then choose from the varieties of effects available. Next, import the background music we downloaded from StreamBeats into your project. Now watch the entire video to see if everything is in place, and if you're satisfied, click on Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K and download it to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments section.